Hello everybody, in this video I want to talk about Cosmos airdrops and actually about one situation happened with me recently. It's about a NIM airdrop for Dymension DYM stakers because since February when I received the airdrop I start staking it, and for now it's already a few nice airdrop I was supposed to receive those, but for some reason when I start claiming a NIM airdrop, the website said that I'm not eligible. I was pretty sure that claim date is good for me. I was doing it 1 month before. I was trying to analyze what's happened because I'm not that kind of person who is just seeing like some negative result and saying, okay, never mind. I was trying to understand the reason behind it, and finally, yeah, I got the answer, and it is something I never thinking before, never checking before. Even I'm doing Cosmos for 2 years, so, and yeah, even more for now. It's the first time I face this issue, so I want to share it with you. Maybe it will help you along your way with Cosmos airdrop as well. So when you stake any token in Kepler wallet, I will also share the screen with you, so make sure you see it as well. So normally the way how I check the Kepler wallet, I think the same as everybody. I use extension and I check staked assets, and even for me here Dymension was shown as staked, so everything was good. And sometimes I'm also opening the dashboard in the web browser as well, and here it is the same way. I was able to see the staked amount, and I was checking even in my Explorer for Dymension the date when I start staking, and it was everything was good. But later on I realized that the status of the validator which I was using was inactive. And what does it actually mean? So even if your assets are staked, it could be some of the validators which are already inactive, and your staking is off for this reason. And I think it's something that Cosmos is missing, maybe as a feature, that even you are staking but the validator is inactive, it's still shown as staked assets. After that, when I saw it, I was able to change the validator immediately. I don't need to wait 21 days, so it was kind of unstaked, but still was showing as staked assets. And how you could also see that it's inactive. So first you could check in Explorer, for example, delegation sections, you could see the validator and the status. For now it's active because I changed the validator immediately when I realized it. But at the same time you could see in Kepler dashboard in the web version, if the validator is inactive, you will see the small sign here shown as inactive. And also, surprisingly, if you check all the validators, for now it's about 200 of them, 70, which is 1/3, is inactive. It's kind of weird, to be honest. And also the voting power, you see that, like, meaning how many assets is staked with them. You see that it's pretty huge, actually. 3,000 Dymension, like 200,000 Dymension, so many of them. And yeah, once I change it for active validator, now my assets are staked again, but nobody give back the airdrops for this period. So this is something surprised me. I have never thought about this before, and what I think is a good idea to do for you too. I mean, we never do it before. We have some issues occurred, like situation happened with me, but maybe it's a good idea if you go to each asset you have, maybe it's Atom, maybe it's Tier, and check the validator you have, is it still active or not. I don't know actually the reason why some of them are inactive. I didn't check any news. maybe they have the percent of commission is low, they're not interested in this. To be honest, I don't know why, but the only I care about is amount of airdrops I was not able to get during those 2 months. I was not realizing that my Dymension is not staked. So yeah, I think, yeah, yeah, I think it's something you should also know. And yeah, that's actually all I wanted to share with you guys today. Bye bye.